Right, I'll show you. I'm going to show you how to make some snow. Snow in Mauritius. Everyone wants to see snow. It's like everyone wants to go and feel it and feel what it feels like. So I'm going to show you how to make it quickly in this video. It's very easy to make this snow. You just need a few household ingredients which are very easy to get hold of and find everywhere. You need some sodium bicarbonate, so I'll just put those on my Christmas plate here. Some of that powder, and you need this clear white conditioner. So I've got 3 small bottles here. So all you need to do is very easy. You can make this in 5 minutes to make the snow. You just need to mix these 2 ingredients. Use about 1:6 ratio. So use about 6 parts of baking powder. Use about 6 parts of sodium bicarbonate to 1 part of the white or clear conditioner. I'll make it now and go through it. Okay, let's use a small measuring glass and fill this up with the sodium bicarbonate. So we have 1 small glass, about that size, of sodium bicarbonate here. I'll do the conditioner next. Right, I'll put in my conditioner now, measure that, so that's about half of that glass. Okay, call that 3/6, so yeah, you need about 1/6, so I'll just get the conditioner in. There you go, the conditioner's all poured in now, so that's, don't know, that's a little bit over 1/6, doesn't matter, we'll see how it goes. So I've used about this much, keep forgetting the name, sodium bicarbonate, and about this much white hair conditioner. And yeah, the fun part now, I'm eager to mix that all up. So let's mix that all up now. You want to mix all this up nicely together. Just keep on mixing it. I'm going to put my phone down now so I don't get my phone in a mess. Okay, keep mixing it together. I've mixed it for about 5 or 10 minutes, and I added some more baking, some bicarbonate powder, just to, as I put a bit too much white hair conditioner in. So just add some more powder until you get the consistency you want. Okay, there you go, your snow mixture. There you go, all your snow mixture complete. You've got a nice snowy landscape now. I added a bit more powder while I was mixing that snow because, as you saw, I put a bit too much white hair conditioner in, so I just put some more powder in to even it out. You can play around with the consistency, so say like if you want the snow a bit more fluffier, then just add some more powder, and if you want it a bit more stickier to mould shapes like this snowman out of it, just add a bit more white hair conditioner. I made this snowman last year, and it's the reason why this snow is good is once you make it, it hardens, so you can make ornaments out of it, and you'll keep them for every Christmas. You'll have your decorations. It gets harder over time, and then till it sets, and because of that white hair conditioner, it has a nice fragrance to it as well. you can literally, it gives a room that it's in a nice fragrance. I made this snowman last year. It's still I made that in 2020. It's now 2021, so you can see it's lasted a whole year. It still has a bit of fragrance on, and then it's completely stayed solid. The good thing about this is your snowman won't melt either, so you keep a nice decoration. And last year you can see it's still solid. I was seeing how solid it was. Look, you can literally see how solid that is. To make the snowman last year, I just moulded it into 2 balls, used a bit of ribbon for his scarf to keep him warm, 2 twigs for his arms, and 2 cloves, which I found in the kitchen for his eyes. All ingredients that you can find easily. And for the nose there, just got the end of a cocktail stick and painted it with a highlighter, and had that nice statue last year. This year I just made a wintry landscape for it, the snow I just made now, and then put the snowman from last year onto it. You could see the harder bits of snow are the bits that I made last year, all those granular bits, and then the snow that I've just made now is softer, but that's going to harden. Use some twigs to make it look like trees. All stuff you find easily. Some of these bits of trees to look like green, almost like green pine trees or fir trees. And then got some aquarium gravel and just scattered it round to give a more realistic feel to it. Enjoy your snowman building, and Merry Christmas for this year. If you want more holiday ideas and stuff, just subscribe below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Thanks for watching.